Vice President Sadc Chiwenga, long seen as the quiet force behind ZANU-PF military backbone, is no longer playing second fiddle. Sources close to the party inner circle review a growing consensus. Like it or not, General Chiwenga is poised to become the next secretary of ZANU-PF and ultimately the president of Zimbabwe. Everyone is celebrating. Sarabina mashoko nzi Chiwenga panguwa inachati zvekutamba ari kuti panguwa ine magame ekutamba takamaita kare, takamaita makare, but panguwa ino takuda kusachange munyika yeZimbabwe. Panguwa ino hatichatolereti nonsense. Sarabina mashoko ari kuda panguwa ino munhu wese munyika yeZimbabwe achiti general ndo the next president wenyika. Nobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pahendo yachipomusaro wanoenderamberi achiti criminal kuda kwachitagure at Wikno Chivayo are reportedly scrambling to contain General Chiwenga's momentum in a desperate bid to undermine the vice president's standing. Insiders allege that the duo mobilized 10 buses of youths from the Midlands province to attend the ZANU-PF Congress in Mutare, not to support the party, but to publicly boo Chiwenga. The move, described by one party veteran as a reckless act of sabotage, signals the depth of panic within Mnangagwa's loyalist camp. The Midlands, traditionally Mnangagwa's stronghold, is now being weaponized in a factional war that threatens to tear the party apart. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has remained conspicuously silent. His chants of Pasi Newedza echoed through party gatherings. Whether this is a calculated move to let factions cannibalize each other or a sign of wanting control is unclear, but what is certain is that the center is no longer holding. General Chiwenga, backed by war veterans and the military elite, is consolidating power. Tagore, once the kingmaker behind Mnangagwa's rise, is reportedly being sidelined. Vehicles donated by criminal Tagore have been recalled. His influence is shrinking, and Chivayo's flamboyant displays of wealth are no longer enough to mask the growing resentment within party ranks. This is not just a succession battle, it is a full-blown political reckoning. The youth are being weaponized, business interests are clashing with military authority, and the silence from the top is deafening. If Chiwenga ascends, it will mark the return of hardline military discipline to Zimbabwe's leadership. If Tagore and Chivayo succeed in derailing him, it will be a triumph of money over merit. Either way, ZANU-PF is at a crossroads and the nation is watching. Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe panguva ino zvonyatso kutsananguro zviripo the current situation yenyika yeZimbabwe kunzi aiwa ZANU-PF yateremuka. Pinda kumasection medu nzimafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda kumasection medu nzimafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.